Needs a little cleaning, but I'm sure you guys can handle that. Not bad for 2008. It's been taken care of. Hasn't been off-road or anything of that nature. She hasn't been molested. It does come with if I can get up here. I'm getting a little bit too old for this. Does come with a DVD player. Okay. Does have 2 sets of headphones. Does have the step. Okay. Open it back up. Here's a mega cab. Doesn't have a bed liner. But hey, it's a truck. You can get a bed liner. Just sprayed it out for you. Custom bumpers. Been taken care of. I do live in Michigan, so points might be taken off, but this is right here a beautiful thing. You'll never be without power if you go up north or anything of that nature. Stand alone. AC, current, 110 volt, 120, whatever flips your wig. I'm not a professional film, so please forgive the photographer. I'm not a professional. Regular wear and tear, a little bigger. Okay. It's a little dusty inside, but I'll get up here, turn her off so you can see the mouse when I turn her back on here. There's your mouse right there. Alright. Alright. And she drops down. She does drop down there. And she do go down lower than that. I'll show you here. My son's taking care of something else, so he's supposed to be helping me, but he's a good guy. There she go. It does drop down. You can see. He's a beast. We call him the boss. I wouldn't sell to anybody that who's just learning how to drive, that's for sure. He is coming with all the goodies. You got your tune setter. I have her down in 1 right now. The 750 horsepower at 1. Go up to 10, you got close to 1,000 horsepower to the wheel. You got your winch, everything that you want to do to talk to the engine or whatever. And there's your boost gauges and things of that nature. Alright, temp gauges, sunroof, horn does work, as you can hear. Sorry about that. Sunroof does work. Okay. Back window does work. Okay. Like I said, forgive me for the sloppy video. I am not a photographer. Okay. Just so you see, the top is not beat up or anything of that nature. I don't know how good this is coming out in the sun. The panels. There she is right there in all her glory. That's her sitting still. Let me bring them back up for you. This right here is the controller. Okay, take the front up. You can do them individually. And we'll take the back up. And it does come with a set, well, I do believe they're 42 military grade tires with the same types of rims. Just need to be powder coated a little. But other than that, I appreciate you guys taking a look. Let me know what do you think. Have a good one.